Hello, I am teacher Audrey here, and today I'm going to show you how to do guess and check on systematic listing, doing it the more accurate way. What do I mean by it? Okay, so if you notice, right, I have two students' work in front of me, and they both show that they filled up a table, and the only difference that you can notice is that they have chosen different numbers, and then there's working in this student, and there is no working in this student's work. So what happens is this. Okay, let's see this student's work first. How did the child guess 18, 14, 10? How did the child guess 18, 22, and then 26? Okay, so let's take it as the child did the first try, 108. Too small, correct? So check, too small, because I didn't get 124. So the child said, okay, I need to increase the legs, so I increase my rabbit, right? So I get 14. Then, okay, I get second try, wrong. Oh, I need to increase my rabbits again. So I increase my rabbit, I have to decrease my chicken, and I got it right. Now, if your child is doing this, that means, oh, I checked, wrong, too big. I decrease something, too small, I increase something. And that's all the child is thinking. That means I'm anyhow guessing a new number. Try wrong already, I guess again, right? That means your child has been doing guess and check randomly. It is luck involving, because why? Now I have 36 heads, means 36 animals. What if I change my 36 to become 70 plus animals? What if I change the number to become 200 plus animals? What happens? Are you going to guess forever and ever till you get it right by luck and keep adjusting up, down till you fill up the whole page? Okay? Or do you want to do it the systematic way, whereby you will get it right by your third try? Okay, so putting this aside, if it's a random guess that your child has been doing, and you open his worksheet or her worksheet and you see the table, sometimes it goes on and on as if the child is just doing it with guesswork. Watch this video. Get your child to watch this video so that they can do it the correct way. Okay, so let's look over here. What happens is, Kenny has 36 heads, means one animal has one head. You have 36 animals. So I have two categories, right? I divide by 2. So I start with 18 and 18. Okay? Now, if you say, oh, teacher Audrey, what happens if I have 35 heads? Means I have 35 animals. It's an odd number. Cannot divide by 2. Don't be afraid. Okay? You just adjust. So let's say this is 35, right? I could start with 17 chickens, 18 rabbits. Or I could start with 18 chickens, 17 rabbits. As long they add up to 35. Okay, let's say this number here is 35. Okay. Now, for this question, the number is 36. So we resume the question. Kenny has 36 heads. I divide by 2 categories. I will put 18 here, 18 here. Okay. He has chickens and rabbits on his farm. There are 124 legs altogether. So this question is about legs. Chicken, 1 chicken, 2 legs. 1 rabbit, 4 legs, which means chicken you will use 2 times table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay, rabbits you will use 4 times table, 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. Okay, now, so can you see or not? Chicken I times 2 because 2 legs per chicken. 4 legs per rabbit I times 4. So I times, I add together the total number of legs. So my chicken and rabbit legs for this time round is 108. It is too small, and it's also incorrect because I have to reach 124. But never mind, this is good information. Why? We know it's too small. That means we need more legs. Which animal has more legs? Chicken or rabbit? The rabbit has more legs. So I need to increase my rabbit. So I increase my rabbit by 1. Okay, this is not a guess. I really only increase by 1. If I increase 1 here, I need to decrease 1 here. Because why? 17 plus 19 add up to become 36 heads. I need to make sure they add up to become 36. Now, when I solve for my legs, I times 2 for chicken. I times 4 for my rabbit. I will add up 76 plus 34. You'll notice I get 110. My number increased. Very good. Why? Because you have 110. You minus 108. You increase by 2 legs. You want more legs, right? So now your legs is increasing by 2. So very good. But still wrong. Why? Because, oh, I didn't get 124. Now don't worry. Because this is new information for us, and it's very important information for us. What do I mean by that? If you notice, right, if I change one animal in each category, so if I drop my chickens and I increase my rabbit, right, so +1, I -1, I get extra 2 more legs. So all I need to do is to find out how many 2s I need to finally reach my 124. So I'm at 110. I take my 124 minus 110. I know that I have a total difference of 14. Means I need 14 more legs. Then I can get 124. Okay? So each time I need to change 2, right? How many times did the number 2 appear that I can finally increase by 14 legs? So I take my 14 legs that I need, I divide by 2, I notice that I need to jump 7 more times. Okay, so I need to adjust my number by 7 basically. So what do I do? Okay, so I have to +7 to my rabbit because I want more legs. Okay, and rabbit has more legs. Okay, and if I +7 here, this is my 7 rabbits. I will -7 from my chicken. That means my chicken now become 10. So 10 plus 26 in total is 36. So now I can carry on. 10 times 2 is 20. 26 times 4 is 104. If I add this together, I will get 124. If you notice, the third try, I got it right. I got my 124, which is what I want. Okay, and my third try, I didn't anyhow guess the number, the number 10. Okay, what I did was, the first try, I set it up first. The second try, I adjust by 1 to know that every time I adjust by 1 animal here and here, I will increase 2 legs. So all I need to do is to adjust 7 animals from here and here. I will increase a total of 14 legs. So my third try was not a guess. I calculated it out. Then I know, oh, I have to choose 10 here and 26 here. My second try was also not a guess. It was meant to be adjusted. So I know that each adjustment gives me an increase of 2 legs. Okay, so remember, when you do guess and check, don't anyhow guess. The second try is to adjust and gain new information. Okay, and this new information, you will use it to calculate to get your third try, which shouldn't be guessing by then. It should be a confirmed answer. That means if you calculate and you kill over here, and you didn't get 124, you need to go back and check already. Did you miscalculate something? Okay, or did you adjust here? Maybe you forgot and you go and adjust here 7 and here don't adjust 7. Okay, so then you can go and check for careless mistakes already. Alright, so I hope this helps. Okay, watch this video, and if you really need help, let me know. Okay, see you in class.